Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TechSolve. This tutorial is for how to add internet speed meter in desktop taskbar easily on Windows 10. At first, you need to download the application from the link in the description box. After download complete, you get 64 or 32-bit application you can use according to your Windows version. Although the internet speed meter is made for the previous version of Windows like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Vista or etc. But you can also use this application for Windows 10. If you double click on this application to install it, then this message will be shown. Operating system not supported: Windows XP, Windows Server 2003, Windows Vista or Windows 7. Now let me show how to install it on Windows 10. Now click on OK, click on Finish, right click on your application, go to Properties, go to Compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode, check this option. Now click on Apply, now click on OK. Now double click on it, and now you can able to install this software on your PC. Check this option, click on Next, click on Next, click on Install. Installation is complete. Now click on Finish. Now right click on taskbar, go to toolbar, and now you can see the net speed meter is appear. Now click on it. Now select your network interface. Click on Save. Now you can see the net speed meter is added to my taskbar. Now right click on it and go to Configure. Now click on the bitrate menu and set it to kbps. Now click on Apply, and now it will work properly. So that's all guys. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. And yes, if you have any question, put this in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks.